Hey everyone, Technomentary wrote the video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable Apple Intelligent on iOS 18. So let's get started. Now there are two main requirements in order to get Apple Intelligent. First is that your device has to be on iOS 18.1 or newer. iOS 18.1 official version has just been released. So what you can do is go into your settings, go to General, and then software update, and you should see iOS 18.1 or newer. You'll need to go ahead and update your phone. Now the second requirement is that you'll have to have a compatible device, which is currently the iPhone 15 Pro, 15 Pro Max, and the new iPhone 16 lineup, like the iPhone 16, 16 Plus, 16 Pro, and the 16 Pro Max. Now once you have both of the requirements met and you updated your phone, you're going to go into your iPhone settings. In the main settings, you'll see a section that says Apple Intelligent, and you'll go ahead and tap on it. And first thing, there might be two different options here. It might ask you to join a wait list if it's your very first time. You can tap on that to join the wait list, and then within several hours or a day or so, you'll get a notification that says your phone is ready for Apple Intelligent, and then you can come here, turn that toggle on, and your Apple Intelligent will be enabled on your iPhone. And to see if it's enabled, you can activate Siri or simply press and hold this button, and you'll see Apple Intelligent is on, and I can issue a command like, "Hey Siri, what is Apple Intelligent?"
I didn't get that.
Or at least it will give you an idea like that. "Hey Siri, what is Apple Intelligent?" So you can see here Apple Intelligent will be on just by pressing on it, and we'll be good to go for Apple Intelligent. So that's how you enable it on iOS 18. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please consider hitting a like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your iPhone and other iOS devices. We'll see you guys next time.